In this video, I'm going to show you how to sum in Excel. So like we have some data and you want to sum these numbers. So click on formula. Here you will find auto sum. If you not see here, so click on this drop down. And here you need to find out sum auto formula. So click on it. Now drag and drop column which you want to sum, like I want to sum this column, then press enter. So here you will get result. So in any cell where you want to result, like in the last cell, so firstly select this cell. Now click on auto sum, then press enter. That's it. So like this guys, you can sum data in Excel. Thanks for watching this video.